Huge news for the European streaming crowd, international bench watchers. If you've been devouring the SkyShowtime library, but your offline downloads are stuck in standard HD, your setup is about to get a massive glow up. StreamFab just rolled out true native 4K support for their SkyShowtime downloader. We're talking uncompressed H.265 codec, HDR10 and Dolby Digital Plus 5.1 surround sound. A quick heads up for my global watchers, SkyShowtime is strictly a European service. If you're outside of Europe, you will need a reliable VPN set to a Nordic or European node like Sweden or the Netherlands, and a legally subscribed SkyShowtime account to access the platform. But once you are in for a visual treat. Ready to upgrade your offline library? It literally takes 3 steps. First, boot up StreamFab and make sure you've updated your software. Windows users, you need to be on version 7.0.2.9, and for the Mac squad, look for version 7.0.2.8. If you are outside the service area, flip on your VPN first, then head into the SkyShowtime module and log in. Next, find a 4K supported series, let the analyzer run for a second. Finally, when the pop-up appears, select the H.265 codec to unlock that glorious 4K resolution option and take the Dolby Digital 5.1 box for audio. And here is a pro tip for the subtitles. For my test, I actually went ahead and selected every single available subtitle language just to grab them all in one go. But the UI is super flexible, so you can just pick and choose exactly what you need. Hit download and let the magic happen. Think it's just upscaled HD? Not a chance. I browsed the receipts. I grabbed an episode of hit series Prisoner, Season 1 Episode 5 and threw the raw file directly into media info. Look at this, 3840 by 2160 resolution. That is pure native 4K. It also triggered HDR10, meaning the colors and contrasts are going to pop beautifully on your OLED screens. The file size, a hefty 5 gigs, 4.7 to be exact, for a 43-minute episode, backed by massive 15 megabits per second video bitrate. It's the ultimate cinematic experience, completely offline. Now let's talk performance and time. Grabbing files this huge takes a little horsepower. For this massive 5 gig file, the total time for downloading plus the remux processing took me exactly 30 minutes. Because these files are so dense, the processing stage definitely adds some time to the clock. But look, that is just the price of premium high-end video quality. It is absolutely worth the wait. Plus, a little life hack: if you just queue these up to download in the background while you are actively watching a show, you won't even notice the time passing. Also, full disclosure, my download speed actually maxed out during this test, simply because my base internet bandwidth is pretty average. If you are rocking gigabit speeds, your download times are going to be way faster than mine. Bottom line, if you are a StreamFab user, go grab that update right now. If you are new and want to start building an incredible offline 4K library, hit the link in my description or pinned comment to try it out. Let me know what SkyShowtime series you are ripping first in comments. Smash that like button and catch you in the next one.